Hey everyone, welcome to the video. I'm Jonathan Nicosia with the RV shop in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Today I have a special treat for you. This is a Juniper Red Mercedes Sprinter van built out by Midwest Automotive Designs. It's the Luxe Cruiser D6 floor plan with the rear bathroom, rear entertainment. This is a four-wheel drive Sprinter with the LED headlights front and back, V6 turbo diesel, 188 horsepower, and a 7,500 pound towing capacity. You have a power door along with your molded fiberglass step from Midwest Automotive. They add that. So from your key fob, as well as your dash, you can open and close that power door. Really nice feature. All tinted glass, so limo glass throughout the back. This is a dually with the added Method black wheels with the open country all-terrain tires, front and back. We've added those here at the RV shop. This van has the optional rear tailgate package that comes with HDMI cable output as well as plug-in here. You've got to plug in a TV and then two marine grade speakers underneath the van. Again, LED lights on the back. Here we have Mercedes backup camera. Along with that dome up there is going to be your antenna for radio as well as TV. Your 7,500 pound hitch along with your dump where you dump your black tank and your gray tank. And that red really pops. Here we have your water where you hook up your hose to fill up your fresh water tank, black and gray tank flush, along with your 30 amp power cord plug to charge everything up. This does have a rear AC system that I'll go through on the inside that's driven off the engine. Good look at that red color. This Mercedes chassis comes with adaptive cruise control, blind spot assist, lane assist, and collision mitigation. So really safe on the road. Alright, moving to the inside. Going here. Shut our power door with this button. So on the dash, for the steering wheel, you have hands-free. You can control this screen here with the swipe pad here, and you can control your main Mercedes screen with this screen with this here. You have a master power switch to be able to turn everything on in the back. Along with this screen, you can control the lights, your inverter, your rear radio, all from that screen there, and there's multiple of those throughout the back of the van. Not all Mercedes vans have the power seats, but this one has the power seat option along with heated seats in the front. The big 10.25 inch screen with navigation. Again, your power door button, all of your AC controls there. Then here you have a plug to plug your Android or your iPhone into for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And here is a wireless charger along with two USB-C plugs to the right for charging. Little cubbies on each side along with cup holders up there on the dash, and then your 4 cup holders here. A lot of people who buy these vans use them for business meetings or what have you, so these front 2 chairs, they will swivel to face the back, as well as the first row in the back will swivel to face the 3rd row of captain chairs as well. So all these chairs up front will swivel. Right behind the driver's seat, this chair is going to have its own folding lap table. This chair will move forward and back. The massage seats, along with the seat heat on all the captain chairs in this van. So that table will just fold up right there. Got a cup holder and your individual screen to control the rear AC and the lights in your area. matching seat next to it, along with the headphones that come with it. They're Bluetooth. They'll connect to the front and rear TV. So the TV right here, it is a 32-inch smart TV with Apple CarPlay. And this van is optioned with the Wi-Fi router to be able to connect everything, stream your apps. And you have a Fusion radio right here that runs with the JL Audio speakers in the back. So you have 4 JL Audio speakers. Your rear Pro Air for the back. This is it's an engine-driven system. So when your engine's running, you can run your AC back here. You have 3 output vents there. You have another one here, one farther back, and then one in the bathroom in the rear. Third row of captain chairs. This one has leg lifts on both of these seats. One lap table there, and then a cup holder here, along with USB charging. So 2 USB plugs for each seat. This one's right here. Another screen. All of your shades open and close. These seats will recline fully back, so it's a good look of it reclined. So almost full recline, enough to take a nap for sure. And you have your 2 rear couches. So this is a 10-seater, so 10 seat belts, including the 2 on each of these couches. So this will jackknife down like so. And same thing there. So a little bedding area for kids to lay down or take a quick nap if you need to. And it just folds up just like this. There is storage, a little storage underneath each one of these. I know the lighting's not that great in here. Some people fold down one couch and use that for luggage, so you can still get to the bathroom in the back if you're not using it for seating. Your JL Audio speakers for the rear, along with your overhead storage. That center lit beam for some accident lighting. It is dimmable, along with more storage on the driver's side as well. Rear TV. This will work with Apple TV as well. Here in the rear is going to be your bathroom, along with your refrigerator, little sink, your microwave. You have some clothing hanging storage there. You can flip that down, it becomes a hanger. Little vent fan, some storage there. Your porcelain toilet. Here's going to be your Xantrex inverter that powers everything on the inside. That's your Apple TV box. Here's going to be your Wi-Fi router. It's installed with Verizon and AT&T SIM cards. So you just call and activate it through your service provider. Super convenient. Will definitely change the way you travel. Once you've owned one, you won't go back when you have your own bathroom. So that's it. Thank y'all for watching. Here's my contact information if you'd like to work directly with me to secure your new luxury van. The RV shop has over 50 Midwest Sprinters in stock. If we don't have exactly what you're looking for, we can customize and build to suit your needs.